What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Xman Co. You asked for it and today we're bringing you a peri peri chicken on the open flames. Let's do this. We're going to make a beautiful marinade today. It's a peri peri marinade and therefore we need some ingredients. Let me show you what we have here. We've got cloves of garlic, we've got some chilies, parsley over here, butter, a cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, we've got some peppercorns here, red jalapenos, believe it or not, and we've got beautiful red paprika peppers. The star of the show, a lemon. We're going to use this guy. It's going to be beautiful. Stay tuned. As always guys, I'll leave all the ingredients for you guys down below in the description. And then the reason I'm wearing gloves today is because we're going to work with chilies. Once you've worked with that and you touch certain parts of your body, it's really not fun. It's actually a huge disaster. Let's get on with this cook. Right, first of all, I'm going to get some parsley. You want to cut them not too fine. It doesn't matter really at this stage, as we're going to add them to our blender. Red jalapenos. You don't have to cut them too finely, as we're going to put it in the blender just now. We're going to keep the seeds intact because remember we want a chili marinade with lots of spice and kick. We're not going to be shy with the garlic today. We're going to use at least 5 to 6 cloves. We're going to make quite a bit of lemon zest here. We're just using the skin, rotate it and just keep on grating it there. Right, now it's time to blend all of this together and make a beautiful marinade. This guys, have a look there, it's beautiful. So normally we don't do this, but because we're doing a peri peri chicken today, spatchcock on the open fire, we're going to make some cuts on the chicken so this beautiful marinade can really go in there and really give us a beautiful flavor inside out on this chicken. So you don't want to make it too deep, just some incisions if you like that. There you go. Same on the thighs. I think we butchered this guy enough. Let's put some of this sauce that we have here, our marinade, and dip this chicken completely. It's a nice thick consistency. Gonna make sure it goes all over this chicken. Notice I'm gonna hold a little bit back for a little bit later so we can baste this chicken while we have it on the flames. What we do on the top, we do on the bottom. Flip them over, add some sauce over there. We just wanna make sure this chicken is fully covered with this marinade that we made here, this peri peri marinade. And guys, I can tell you this guy's gonna be hot and full of flavor. You can see why we're using gloves, because boy oh boy, this will not be fun on certain parts of your body. It will burn and put you in a different state. There you go. Now that we've done this guys, we're going to let it marinate for at least an hour in the fridge. And you know what, if you want to do it the day before, you can do that. Leave it in the fridge. Next morning when the guests are there, or the afternoon, just throw them on the fire. Let's get the fire ready and let this baby rest a bit. Guys, we're going to play with the fire today. We're going to start off with the indirect cooking here. We're going to turn it a few times. Remember, we want this chicken as juicy as we can on the inside. Only way we can really ensure to do that is to keep on turning the chicken maybe every 2-3 minutes. Initially it's going to stay like this, and then let's say 5 minutes from now I'll turn it, and you just have to gauge and make sure that the skin is not burning too much. You've got a peri peri marinade on the outside and it's going to want to burn slightly. Let's have fun, let's cook this chicken, and I'll see you guys on the other side. Guys, we started a membership, and for those of you guys that want to support us in a different way, please feel free to do so. We will really appreciate that. It's just a small way of supporting us financially, and for the guys that do not, we still love you. There's no issue at all. We're still bringing great content to you, so stick around. It's about 45 minutes, I think this baby's ready. Let's take her off. Oh shoot. Okay guys, looks like pieces are falling apart, but hey, it's all about the tenderness. Let's go cut this baby up. It's that moment where we have to try this dish out. It's a beautiful Peri Peri spatchcock on the table here. The thighs did break off as I took it off the fire, but guys, who's counting? This is going to be beautiful. Let's dig in. Let's cut a piece and see what it looks like. Right, first of all, let's check this out right here. Oh, look how that just breaks off, eh? Fantastic. Look at that. Beautiful. Then obviously the part we really need to check out is the breast. Let's do that. One of you guys can see there. Have a look. Oh, look how it just breaks, eh? Cheers, boys and girls. Wow. This is delicious. You guys should try this out. You know that. Whoa. Definitely Peri Peri. Not too much, just perfect. Well, we like it real hot, so this is right there. Guys, you should go and try it out. This is absolutely the bomb. If you like what you're doing, like, share, subscribe. Enable those notifications so you get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We cannot do it without you. We'll see you on the next one. Shh.